What's up, guys? We're back in the shop working on a twin turbo Mustang, and right now I'm working on the downpipes and the exhaust. I'm running a full exhaust back to a couple mufflers. This is gonna be mostly a street car. I don't want a super loud running the downpipe through the fender well, out the fender, and all that type of junk, or just running it through the hood like a lot of the import scene does. But no hate, hey man, nothing wrong with that. It's simple and easy. Can't hate on that. So, but this is the contraption I got so far. This ends the turbo end, comes off the turbine housing, comes on there, and this snakes. This is really tight on this car. 04 Mustang twin turbo kit with the turbos mounted where they are. Super tight. This is 3-inch, so there'd be 3-inch on each turbo, and there ain't a lot of room. So I'm making different cuts, all kinds of stuff. Don't laugh at my welds or shit, but they will hold. They're airtight. I've tested it, so they'll be fine. They're ugly as hell, but they'll be fine. I gotta fill in this. I gotta cut me a piece and get this filled in because it's gonna be at a weird angle, but it basically sits in the car like this on the passenger side turbo, or excuse me, driver side turbo. It sit like this, downpipe up here, turbo up here, excuse me, and the rest on there. So it's pretty funky shape, but it fits nice. And then once I get underneath the car, which just gets me to about the driver's seat right here, a little behind it. So, and underneath there, I already got the over axle pipe, the tailpipes, and then the mufflers with a little extension pipe. So I don't got to go very far. Just past the driver's seat, just right behind it, I'll make my connection to the mufflers. But before that, I have to get this mounted in line with the exhaust. This is a Badlands, which is a brand, a Badlands electronic cutout setup. So, they make manual cutouts that you got a little, a little plate will cover this part with the gasket and bolts, and you got to manually unscrew it when you want to use it. Well, with these, you got a button right in the cab. You're cruising through town, some fucking Camaro or Chrysler product, Demon, Hellcat, whatever, pulls up next to you and thinks he's tough shit. He's hit a button, crack these fuckers open, probably gain 15, 20 horse or whatever, depending on how restricted your exhaust is. That shit's super restricted through a muffler that doesn't flow very well. You put one of these on it, man, it will really open it up. So, but anyways, we gotta get this in line, and then we have to run the wire to a switch in the cab that I haven't installed yet. So that'll be another project. So I gotta weld this up, this last piece here, weld a 45 onto it, put it on there, and then I can put this in it and run the wire. So that's what we're gonna do now. I'm gonna finish welding this up here, so we'll go ahead and do that. About 3 o'clock in the morning, by the way. I'm super tired. I probably shouldn't be doing this shit. Probably wake up tomorrow and look at it and be like, what the hell was I thinking? So, but we're here. Figured we might as well get it done. So let's go ahead and knock it out. I'm getting close to being out of argon. In this MIG setup, I'm running a 75% argon, 25% carbon dioxide mix. It's getting pretty low, so hopefully we'll have enough to finish this out. But if I can grab these leads. Go ahead and attach our ground. Go ahead and get our settings. Get these burned in. Fitment ain't the greatest on these, so damn camera. Fitment isn't the greatest on these, so I'm filling a little bit of a gap. Not crazy gap, but you know, I got to build up some oil to fill the gap, so that's why it's kind of a start and stop deal. So we'll get this finished welded up, and then we'll drop some shit on the floor, and we'll be right back. So. Alright, here's a look at the downpipe situation. As you can see, there is not a lot of room down there. You can see my right here, my turbo drains come in and Y into the oil pan. Then I got a sneak 2-3 inch downpipes down through there, you know, between the engine and that. I got it down there. You can see that. Haven't done this one yet. Just got the starter on it right now. So, but I got this one down, and let's take a look here. I'll show you how far I got it down. Shit. Let me turn the light on, because hold on one sec. All right, here's a shot of the downpipe situation. Fuck. Let me try to get down here. Comes down through there, up, tucks by the oil pan, and then sneaks down there next to the trans. And I gotta go. There's my catback system just sitting there waiting to go in. Gotta throw my drive shaft in, and before I get that to the cat there, I gotta put in that cutout. So I'm gonna put a piece of straight pipe there, and before that, put the cutout, and then tie into that. So that's what we'll do there, and then we'll be rocking and rolling on the exhaust. I still gotta do the other side. But, well, you know how that goes. Alright, fellas. I'm beat, man. I gotta go to bed. Barely keep my eyes open, but we put a good, I don't know, 6 or 7 hours in the car today. Finished up a little more wiring. And we got about all that knocked out, so that's good. And we did a downpipe. Got that mostly ran. I still got to do the other side, which sucks. But my welding tank over there is about where we at? There, about empty. So I got to run over to the gas place and get it refilled and keep on welding. But yeah, also I wanted to show you. We got I don't know if you can see. Yeah, there you go. Now you can see kind of. Got my vacuum block mounted in there, tees and everything. Got to get some vacuum line and run that stuff. So, but man, that's where we're at. And the boost solenoid should be here, I think Tuesday. It's supposed to show up. I got a couple hangers coming in for the downpipe. And what else? Yeah, a little bit of knickknacks there. So, but she's coming along. She's looking good. Tell you, once I get all this crap off of it and get it all, everything tidied up, the wiring harness. Get all the rest of the stuff loomed and cleaned up. We're ready to go. One question I got, if anybody's in a situation, air filters. Man, I don't have room for an air filter, like a cone filter or nothing like that. I might be able to do something on the passenger side turbo, but this driver's side, there's just no way. And there just ain't no room. I got a power steering reservoir here, and I just ain't got room to move it. So I was thinking about the turbo screens. They got the turbo guards or whatever, the mesh deal. But other than that, man, I'm running out of ideas. I don't know. If one of you guys got an idea, shout it out in the comments. Let me know. Hopefully I can find it. I'd like to run a filter because it's going to be driven a little bit down the street. But there just ain't a whole lot of room. And again, you're stuff in a 4.6 valve. The motor is already wide as fuck. You know, it don't leave you much room in these chassis. Then you stick 2 turbos in there with all the bullshit that goes along with it, and you don't have a lot of room. So, yep. So like I said, if you got an idea, let me know in the comments. I appreciate it. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and yeah, all that good stuff. Like it. Whatever. I appreciate you guys watching. And I will continue to put more videos out. And we will get to the point where this thing's running down the track. Hopefully running a good number. I ain't going to set a goal yet. But hopefully it'll be quick. So, and then we'll have to cage it. Yeah, it'll be another video. So, alright, I'm out of here. See you guys on the next one.